Good morning, all of you. Students, we are doing the chapter Forest, in which we discussed all the topics related to forest. And now, today, I'm going to explain the exercises of the chapter. Exercise A, as you know, that it is fill in the blanks. And question number 1 of exercise A is decomposers play an important role in DAS of nutrients. It is recycling of nutrients. So we will fill recycling in the blank. Decomposers play an important role in recycling of nutrients. Second is herbs are found in the dash layer of the forest. Herbs are with small plants and they found in the forest floor layer of the forest. So we will write forest floor in this blank. Question number 3. Forests maintain a balance between the amount of dash and dash gases in the atmosphere. They maintain a balance between the amount of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. So we'll write carbon dioxide and oxygen in these blanks. Question number 4. Overgrazing in forests may cause a decrease in soil dash and an increase in soil dash. So, overgrazing in forest cause a decrease in soil fertility and increase in soil erosion. So, we will write fertility and erosion in these blanks. Now, question number 5. Dash is the national tree of India. All of you know that banyan is the national tree of India. Now, exercise B, that is true or false, in which you have to write true or false against the statements. The first one is forests depend on man for water and fertilizers. All of you know that forests are independent unit. So the statement is wrong. We will write false for this statement. Second is the plants and animals in a forest are not dependent on one another. You know that all living and non-living components are dependent on each other. So we will write false in this statement. Now question number 3. Raw materials needed for making paper is obtained from forest. This is correct statement. So we will write true. Now question number 4. Forest help in decreasing soil erosion. This is also true. We will write true here. Forests play an important role in maintaining the water cycle in nature. Yes, this is also correct. So we will write true for this statement also. Now exercise C. Take the correct option. Question number 1 is the layer of forest where intertwined branches of trees are found is known as canopy. So we'll take the first option, canopy. Second, decomposers help in, the options are cooling of atmosphere, recycling of nutrients, absorption of excess water, and feeding the animals. The second option, recycling of nutrients, is correct. So we will take this option. Question number 3. An increase in cutting down of the trees in forest will lead to an increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in air. So we will take the first option, an increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in air. Now question number 4. The tree that is thought of as an immortal tree is the banyan tree. So we will take the third option, banyan tree. Now question number 5. The tree that is often referred to as the golden sword tree is the amalthas tree. So we'll take the option amalthas tree. Now exercise D, in which you have to answer the given questions in brief. Question number 1 is define the terms food chain and food web. The interdependence of plants and animals, on each other for food makes a chain, and that chain is known as food chain. Once again students, the interdependence of plants and animals on each other for food makes a chain which is known as a food chain. Now food web. The interconnection of different food chains in nature is called food web. The interconnection of different food chains in nature is called food web. Now, question number 2. Name the different layers of the forest. Different layer of forest are forest floor layer, understory layer, canopy, and emergent layer. Now, question number 3. Give the meaning of the term soil erosion. The removal of topsoil by the natural agents like water and wind is known as soil erosion. The removal of topsoil by the natural agents like water and wind is known as soil erosion. Now, question number 4. Name 4 useful products that are provided to us by the forest. 4 useful products that are provided to us by forest are oxygen, medicines, paper, and timber. There are so many important products that we get from forest. We have to write only 4, so we'll write oxygen, medicines, paper, and timber. Now, question number 5. Name any 4 trees that are common to the Indian subcontinent. Name of 4 trees that are common to the Indian subcontinents are banyan, teak, neem, and ashoka. You can write any other 4 also. Name of 4 trees that are common to the Indian subcontinent. Now, the exercise E, in which we have to write the answers in detail. Now, question number 1 is comment on the statement early man began his life as a forest dwellers. Now, answer of this question human beings began life on earth as food gatherers and dependent on the forest for all their needs like food, clothing, and shelter. They gradually became food growers, clearing small patches in forests to grow their food. However, they continued to depend on forest for their requirements of daily life. Now, question number 2 of exercise E. How are the shapes of crowns of trees and their location on earth related to each other? Now, the answer of this question. The shape of the crowns of trees has a lot to do with where it is located. If a tree is located nearer to the equator, the noontime sun is almost directly overhead all the year round. Tall trees with flat crowns are very common in this part of the world because the flat shape helps expose more of their leaves to the direct overhead sunlight. Up near the Arctic Circle, the sun is never directly overhead and is usually quite low in the sky. Trees in this part of the world tend to be cone shaped. This helps their leaves from the top of the tree to its bottom to make the most of the available sunlight. In this way, we can say that shapes of crowns of trees and their location on earth related to each other. Now, question number 3. State any 5 points highlighting the importance of forest to mankind. 5 importance of forest are forests are the habitat for the living organism and are a storehouse of biodiversity. Now, question number 2. Forests maintain and improve the moisture content of the atmosphere. This helps in determining the rainfall in an area. Third one, forests provide clean air as they are the reservoirs of the life-giving oxygen. 4. Forests produce humus and maintain soil fertility. And fifth point, forests reduce the speed of strong winds and trap dust and gases. These are the important points highlighting the importance of forest to mankind. Now, question number 4. Discuss in brief the likely consequences of deforestation. Consequences of deforestation. The first one is the carbon cycle. Forests act as a major carbon store. Carbon dioxide gas is taken in and oxygen gas is released during photosynthesis. And due to deforestation, there is an increase in the atmospheric CO2 concentration. Number 2, the water cycle. Trees draw groundwater up through their roots and release it into the atmosphere through transpiration. With removal of a part of the forest, the region cannot hold as much water. Soil erosion. With the loss of a protective layer of vegetation, more soil gets lost. Next, silting of water courses, lakes, and dams. This occurs as a result of soil erosion. Next is extinction of species. The existence of animals and plants depend on forest. If the habitat of these species is destroyed, the number of species would also decline. Now, the last one is desertification. Deforestation is one of the contributing factor of desertification. Now, the question number 5. How are the eucalyptus tree, tea tree, and the neem tree important for us? They are important. Like eucalyptus tree, it is mainly used as the pulpwood in the manufacture of the paper. Teak tree, it is mainly used in the making of furniture and doors. Teak also has some medicinal values. Neem tree, it is used in rehabilitating the wasteland and areas. It also has good medicinal values. So students, we have completed all the exercises of the chapter forest. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.